I have my high school kids would come to me all the time and say, my high school, middle school kids would come and say, can we sit together? Even my third graders, when I taught third grade, they say, can we sit together? Can we sit together today? And I'd say, absolutely, you can sit together today. But here's what's going to happen. If I have to come over there a few times because you guys are really getting off track, I'm going to ask one of you to move. And I'm going to tell you where you're going to move. I don't know who I might ask. Doesn't matter. Now, if I get any backlash, like one of you says, but why me? And you don't move like I ask you to, then you're not going to be able to sit together again. If I ask you to move and you do what I ask you to do, you come in here the next half an hour, you can sit together again. But that's how I set it up. We'll always give the opportunity to sit together. But it's going to be with the direction that I've presented. And follow through. If you give me a hard time and you go, I'm not moving, no, not going to happen now. They need that direction. I think we're asking kids to make too many decisions on their own that they don't have the skills to make the decisions for. We've gone to a place where everything had to be so positive, where kids had to make all the decisions, that now they don't have anyone to rely on. So I think we do have to do more of telling them what to do. They need that direction. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.